this is where a lot of us got burned and we got a bad taste in our mouth by bad SEO that wasn't going to perform.
What I will say is I know some people that have done that, and they actually have a pretty good program put together.
Yeah, it's just that getting getting a real referral from somebody that isn't getting a kickback in one of the groups. Like I got burned for like 10 grand because the owner of that group was taking a kickback. And he was referring this SEO company as the greatest thing. We couldn't vet them, and we trusted them that they were, but the owner of the group was taking a kickback. And I found that out because, you know, they tanked my SEO. I went from 16 clicks a month in the middle of a pandemic. We were already struggling. And 3 months later, the site still wasn't built, wasn't done. Nothing was done. And then they went ahead and went live, and we went to 0 clicks, 0 calls for almost more than 30 days. And then I said, you're fired. I switched it back on to our website, and the call started coming in almost instantly. But that's the biggest people that have that, oh, I recommend this company.